Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to set a flat 200 discount for orders above 3000. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Nix Capping Discounts from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to your Shopify admin panel. Then click on Nix Discounts app. Then click on create new discount. Then you can enter the discount title as flat 200 off. Then you can select that. Then click on discount code and you can enter the same discount title as the discount code. Then click on fixed value. Then you can enter the discount 200. Then you can select discount applies to all products. Then you can set the minimum purchase amount 3000. Then you can select the customer eligibility for all the customers. And you can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total. You can also limit it to the one use per customer. If you want to set the start date and time and end date and time, then you can set it from here. If you want to combine this product discount with any of other order discount, shipping discount, then you can select it from here. Then save your changes. By the way, if you're liking this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to your catalog. Now we will add the product to the cart for more than 3000 rupees. For example, I am adding this product to my cart. Click on buy it now. And now we will enter the test address. Now here we will enter the discount code. So here you can see 200 off is applied on this product. Now we will add the product to the cart for less than 3000 rupees. And we will check if discount is applying or not. You can enter the test address. And now we will try to enter the discount code here. So discount code is not applying here. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to set the flat 200 off on orders above 3000 in your Shopify account. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.